Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view your statements on Bank of America in 2025. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying on top of your finances, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. In 2025, the app has even more user-friendly features, like enhanced security and faster loading times. Start by opening the app and logging in with your username, password, and possibly a biometric scan like fingerprint or facial recognition for added protection. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that to see a list of your linked accounts. Select the specific account you want to check, such as your checking or savings account. Next, scroll down on the account details page until you find the Statements section. This is where the magic happens. In 2025, Bank of America has updated this feature for better customization, allowing you to filter by date range or statement type. Tap on View Statements to see a list of available options. Choose the statement you need, maybe last month's or a full year, and it will load instantly. You can zoom in on transactions, search for specific items, or even download the statement as a PDF for your records. If you're using the website instead, the process is almost identical. Log in at bankofamerica.com, navigate to your accounts, and follow the same steps. Finally, don't forget to log out when you're done to keep your information secure. That's it. You've now mastered viewing your statements. This simple tool can save you time and help you manage your money better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.